This is a 2005 Ford Excursion, a vehicle with safety, comfort, and space. It has a 6.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include heated seats, a rear seat DVD entertainment center, trailer tow group, skid plates, aluminum wheels, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a passenger side airbag, child safety seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, an anti-lock braking system, running boards, and an anti-theft protection system. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.